Hello, this is Nick with nickscomputerfix.com, and here's a NETGEAR AC1200 Wi-Fi range extender review and setup. Quick and easy. Okay, let's go ahead and get started here. Before we open up the box, let me tell you that this is the NETGEAR AC1200 dual band Wi-Fi range extender. Let me grab my knife here and very quickly open this up. And by the way, this is the model number EX6150. And in the box, we have the quick start operator's manual, and we'll put that to the side. And the only other thing is the Wi-Fi extender itself. And let's toss that cardboard over and quickly unwrap the wrapper. And it also has an extra wrapper protector on the face as well. That's really awesome. Keeps it nice and clean and scratch free. Now on the sides we have two antennas for Wi-Fi signal strength, and they are definitely adjustable so that you can get the best possible Wi-Fi connection from your network. Okay, looking on the front plate here, on the left we have a link LED for the router. On the right hand side we have a client link LED. Down here we have a power LED and a WPS LED. Now all around on the sides and top we have air vents, and on the right hand side, um, starting from the left here, we have a Ethernet port, and then we have a factory reset button, a WPS button, a power on and off button, and a access point / extender switch. And by default, it's in the extender position. Also, all around the unit there are air vents that do a very good job at preventing it from overheating. It stays very cool. Now on the back we have the AC plug up top here, and we have a serial number, model number, and so forth down here. Now I was really surprised at how lightweight this is, and the profile is very small and fits very well onto a AC wall outlet. And talking about plugging it in, let's go ahead and do that. And when you first do plug it into a wall outlet, the power light is a amber color, and then you'll get the router link LED and the client link LED flash red and blue. And then when they go out, you'll get a green power light, and that will stay solid. And at this point we can go ahead over to a laptop or a desktop computer, click on the Wi-Fi icon, and get a listing of available Wi-Fi networks. Now presently I'm connected to P router at 2.4 gigahertz. This laptop does not do dual band, so I'm only seeing the NETGEAR extender 2.4 gigahertz listing, and I can click on that, and then I can go down here and click on connect. And when I do, in Windows 10, my default browser, which is Microsoft Edge, will open up into the NETGEAR new extender setup window. And once you get that, go ahead and click right there. And on the setup, NETGEAR wants you to create an account with them if you don't already have one. Once you've created it, click on Next, and then you get this page. The switch on your extender has been set to Wi-Fi range extender, which it has been. It's just let me know that it is being set up as an extender and not as a access point. Okay, when you're ready, go ahead and click on continue, and it goes out and scans the network and looks for available networks, and it found the one that I want to be connected to with this extender, which is the P router. This is my 2.4 gigahertz, so I'm going to click on that. And over here is my 5 gigahertz dual band. I'm going to click on that one as well, because I do have a dual band NETGEAR router, but I just don't have the 5 gigahertz on my laptop. At any rate, as you saw, I clicked on next and got this page. where it's asking me to enter the password or the network key for my existing Wi-Fi network for both the 2.4 gigahertz and the 5 gigahertz network, and then click on Next. And then we have to enter a network name and security setting for the Wi-Fi extender. Now, I've decided to take the defaults, and that's the default names for the 2.4 gigahertz and the 5 gigahertz, as well as the default password, which is the same as my existing Wi-Fi password on my network. You can certainly customize both of those, and once you do, click on Next. And then it goes out and applies those settings that you made onto the NETGEAR Wi-Fi extender. Then once it's finished applying those settings, you'll get this page where you need to put a check mark here. Click the continue button after you do that. And then you're all set to go, and we can go over to our laptop, click on our Wi-Fi icon, and go up here. I am presently connected to P router, but let's go ahead and connect to the extender here, and I'm going to click there and click connect. It goes out and prompts me for a security key, and I left the defaults in place, so I'm just going to type in my Wi-Fi password that I'm presently using on my network. And once I do, I'll go ahead and click on next here, and I'll make a connection to my P router NETGEAR extender, and there we go. I'm connected to the 2.4 gigahertz. And as you can see, I'm still connected to Google on the internet. Now I can determine the quality of my signal. If I click here, as you can see, I have all bars lit, and I'm doing 150 megabits per second. Okay, before we end this video, here's one last look at the NETGEAR Wi-Fi extender. All lights are green after a successful setup and installation. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like, and leave a like if you like. And remember to share.